Hello everybody, let me go stop a second. There's a new chip shop opened in Lichfield. I've been asked a few times to go and review it. So I'm going to go and review it today. It's called King's. I think that's what it's called anyway. I've got to find it and I'm not sure where it is. I've seen a couple of reviews on TripAdvisor and I didn't really recommend it, but I've been asked to review it. So I'm going to go down to Chippy and we're going to have a look. So, off to the Chippy we go. And we're here. Yeah, I was right, it's called King's Chippy. Show ya. Never been down here before, it's a nice little area actually. There's a cafe there as well, didn't know about that. And there's a Domino's there. King's Chippy. King's Fish Chips and Grill. There it is. Open R4. And there's a Domino's there, which don't go too much. Wraps, wedges and a 400ml drink, $4.95. Reckon that's expensive? 11 till 4. Oh, I suppose that's bad, is it? Wrap, wedges and a drink for $4.95 from Domino's. Anyway, we'll wait for him to open here and we will get a few bits. There's some good stuff down here, look. Jerk. Wedges. Oh yes. Jerk, someone for wedges. Wings, naans, tikka, tandoori, veggie burgers, grilled chicken, nuggets, doner meat. Oh yeah, we've got this side. Halloumi, savoury chips, sausage pie. Whoop. Battered haddock, cod, pastries, fish cakes. There's the menu. It seems a little bit cheaper than the normal one I go to. Normal, I do battered fish here as well. Do like a battered chip, battered chips. I think we'll be having some battered chips, I think. Very nice. Let me know what you think of these prices if you can see it. I don't know whether they'll let me record in there, so I'm doing it outside. Let me know what you think with your prices, where you live, what you reckon it's like when it comes back on. Welcome to King's Fish and Chip Shop. Let me show you. If you can see anything, I'm not sure whether you can. Go across, pause it and have a look. You might be able to see a bit. Looks very clean in here as well. There's Nat, look, with a scooter. She's gone to the shop next door to the co-op. So it's about a mile and a half from our house. So we've had a walk down and that. Felt a few spots of rain, but we will see, eh? Near the co-op. There, look, see the co-op. I didn't know you either. Co-op there. Where Nat's gone, popped over there. I was going to go over and have a mooch as well, but I don't really shop at the co-op. It's quite expensive, isn't it, the co-op? So yeah, so I thought, well, I'll just wait at the Chippy, first in the queue. Oh. Oh yeah, how are we? You good? Looks a nice place, this does. So I thought I'd come and review you. Right then, what we're having? We're having all battered chips. Can I have a medium battered chips, please? Yeah. I want doner meat, chips, salad in a tray.
In a tray or in a box?
In a box. In a box. With mayonnaise, please.
Yeah.
I'll have a doner kebab.
Yeah.
With garlic mayo and chilli sauce and salad. A battered sausage. And a scallop. Yeah, and a small curry sauce as well, please. That's what we'll have today, thank you. How long you been open? How long?
It's maybe 2 months ago.
Oh, 2 months. Oh, there you go then.
Yeah.
Oh, 50, that's good, good. Can I take one of these menus? Can I take one, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Very clean. Very clean in here. Now let me tell you, this food here that I've just got looks absolutely fantastic. I'm not just saying that, it really, really does. So let's get home and let's try it. Okay, and we're home. Let me show you this delicious food. Trying to get the camera right. What we got here? I think that's my kebab. That's my kebab, which I'll show you on the plate in a minute. I'll dish the lad, actually, let me dish the lads up first so we can have his. He's having a scallop. There's a scallop or fritter, whatever you call it. He's having a battered sausage. There's the battered sausage. Wait till you see these chips, honestly. He's having a curry sauce. A layer of chips. I'll show you these chips. See if you can see them. Oh, look at them. So you've got to get a close look at them chips, look. Look at them chips, look. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Get him a handful of chips on. Look at them. They look absolutely delicious, ain't they? Damie, come and get yours, son. I'll show you how Nats looks absolutely delicious. She's had hers in a box. I'm hoping you can see, because I can't see my camera. Because I haven't got my lighting on or anything, so.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that beauty. Look at that.
That looks so nice.
Oh. And I'll show you mine up the table, because it's my...
Just put it on the paper on here, but it's okay. Let's get some food.
Because it's my kebab.
Oh, you have to put that.
I like kebab.
Can you check
There it is.
that down, horse, man?
Look at that. Right, let's get on the table, let's eat it.
Quick.
Them chips look to die for, don't they, sweetheart?
They're so nice.
I'll give you a closer look now. Look at that.
That's what you call a chippy.
That, I haven't tried it yet, what do you think? Really, really nice.
That'd be nice. That's nice, some meat.
No, I've got mine there. That looks delicious, that does. I wish I'd have had that. Look how much you get in there.
It's really nice, packed.
That's packed to the rafters, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it was all cooked fresh. Obviously the kebab, like, was obviously been on, but all the chips and everything was cooked fresh while you wait. So we was there about 10-15 minutes. But, you know, and people said on TripAdvisor it's more expensive than the other places. Now I found that to be a little bit cheaper than to where we normally go. And I don't usually have the kebab. And you don't usually have that.
No, I don't.
We usually have a big bag of chips, battered sausages, scallops
That's it.
and curry sauce, and it's about 18, 19 quid. Now with this, with the kebabs and all that meat and that salad and all that in there, it comes to just over 20.
No way.
So it's a lot cheaper, isn't it?
No,
and you got battered chips here as well. You know what I mean? So I find it a lot cheaper. Now people online said it's more expensive. I don't think it's more expensive than the lady in town, but that's different to the van. But this, oh, proper black country chips and kebab.
Yeah.
That,
Delicious.
Oh yeah. My kebab. Help. Did you find much in the co-op, sweetheart, no?
So expensive in there.
So do you, and that's why I don't go to the co-op. It's expensive, ain't it?
Oh,
Told that to you. Look at that there, look.
I just wanted to mooch though.
Yeah. Kept you out of the cold as well, didn't want to wait for it to open.
Yeah.
Love a kebab? I love a kebab, I do. Garlic mayo and hot chili sauce. Absolutely perfect. I'm ever so sorry to say, that is the best chippy in Lichfield.
It is.
I don't care what anyone
I
says.
was just going to say that.
I don't care if people review it and say it's rubbish. To me, that is the best chippy in Lichfield.
It is.
Isn't it?
It sure is, yeah.
And people saying it's a lot more expensive you in Lichfield. No, it's not. No, it's not.
No.
Everywhere's expensive in Lichfield with the chippies now. Everywhere's the same. That is about the same price, even not a little bit cheaper.
I can't believe that.
I know the chips are cheaper, because where we usually go, it's $4.50 for a large, and I think it's $4.30 down there for a large. I only got a medium, but you get battered as well. You know what I mean?
And you get a lot more for your money.
And you get a lot more, and it's a lot tastier, isn't it? And it was cooked fresh. As I say, there we go, something simple. I'm going to go and eat it now before it all gets cold. Oh. So anybody in Lichfield, you want to try it, King's chip shop down Yoxall, off Street A, Yoxall Road there. It's absolutely superb. And I'm going to definitely give it a 10 out of 10. That is a banging chippy, isn't it? That's banging.
That's my
And
favourite.
that's my next time we have a chippy, it's worth going the extra bit down there, isn't it, Bab?
It sure is, yeah.
Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.